Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Usambot Menteri Rangba Kejala ubah kemiru yaknat badai pet iki surok yat kali. Ubah preston tensong hak arpway terek mentau mena jembang arajarkat kendai. Ula syong jelang bat ki officer jokatnat Public Works Department Roads ban yamir jemot halor kejinglong jeman jongki lai tidi ki surok yat kali hakani kejela. Hakani kejelang lai don langru ki officer jokatnat Public Health Engineering nakatnat Forest and Environment bat nakatnat Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited. Hakani kejelang lai keren halor ke surok na Shillong Shadauki hadu Tamabil kabajengai kumbak kendai pusan kilometer. Nang ta kejing temu ke sarkar ban senai ke surok 4 lane nadu Sherpi hadu Upper Shillong. Bat kawai pat kedai halor kejing temu ban senai ke surok na Ranikor Shabak Mara. Yakini ke surok ke sarkar Meghalaya kan sena ha kejing lot ke bankon. Syahajar Shispa Prapanyo Point San Klor Tingka.
Meeting is regarding the status of one is JICA project, Shillong to Tamabil. Then number 2 we talking about Tura Dalu road. And then number 3 is we talking about Ranikor Bakmara. What Tura Dalu, Shillong Dauki. I mean Shillong Tamabil. Shillong Tamabil. Yes, and thirdly is Ranikor to Bakmara. So I call all the departments concerned. One is MECL, number 2 is PHE, number 3 is Forest, and number 4 is PUD. Okay. So in the meeting I have reviewed everything about the status of the project. One is as far as this number 1 project is Shillong Tamabil JICA project. That is JICA project. So we discuss about the status of SIA, meaning land acquisition. And number 2 we discuss about the forest issue. The forest issue means right from this 3rd mile up to Upper Shillong, which falls under reserve forest. And then thirdly is we talking about the shifting of utilities all along this road, which involves PHE department, MECL, and forest department. Okay. So now the status is very satisfactory, where all the department concerned I have already instructed that they should complete all the process at the earliest possible. So as far as the forest department is concerned, they have already uploaded under the FC Act those portions which the road has to go through. Okay. So now the status is uploading is still on for forest clearance. Then number 2, we have already instructed MECL also to immediately submit the estimate to NHIDCL for shifting of the existing lines. And also the PHE department, they have already submitted their thing. They already submitted the estimate for shifting of these main feeder pipes from Mauplan, that Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme, because all these main feeder pipes is affected with the construction of this road. Yeah, see what happened is right now section 11 has been notified under the Land Acquisition Act. So after this section 11 is done, then the respective deputy commissioner will work out the estimated cost where the land acquisition involves, and once that is done, next is the section 19 will be notified.
And the section 19 is related to?
Section 19 is relating to disbursement of land compensation. Land compensation. See, right now we are yet to know exactly what is the amount, but it involves quite substantial amount. Because number one is main feeder pipe. We have Greater Shillong Water Stream first phase 1, phase 2, and now it's phase 3. So these main feeder has to be shifted. Okay, but shifting again will have problem. So what we have to do right now is, I think the concerned department will submit detailed estimate where they have to first of all lay their main feeder pipe with new materials. Okay, then only they can remove the old main feeders. This is additional. Okay? Because the projects DPR is meant specifically only for the road construction. But above that, we do have one is shifting of utilities. Okay, shifting of utilities, forest compensatory afforestation will also be involved, and then lastly is the what they call it, the forest boundary pillar, this that, which needs to be considered by the government of India. From Umshalpi bridge up to 7 mile. Okay, up to 7 mile, it will be a 4-lane, and then beyond that, it is a double lane. Pavement to pavement, it should be 45 meters. It should be 45 meters for the double lane. Sorry?
Defense land.
Yeah, defense land has been entrusted to the government of India, and now those areas which is involved with defense land, the Ministry of Road Transport is taken care of with the Defense Ministry. Ministry of Road Transport. Yeah. The status of this is, in fact, first package work order has been issued, and that is from Ranikot to Namjari. Okay, Ranikot Namjari, first phase, first package work order has been issued. Then beyond that, survey is still on, because as I said to you, it involves lot of discussion and then modalities to be in place, because it falls under, some portion is reserve forest, and some portion falls under this national park. So it takes little time, but the work is in progress.
This first package work order has been issued from Ranikot to
Nojri. That's Nojri. Yeah.
Which agency is carrying out this work?
This is NHIDCL. NHIDCL. So now the first package has work order has been issued for 30 kilometers.